Yo, I look crazy. I need a haircut so bad. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy George coming back at you with another YouTube video. Damn, I'm looking wild. Today we're gonna go see, this is a little vlog type of thing. We're gonna see if we can get these subs installed. I got a single 10-inch SCAR audio sub with a 1200 watt sub, or not sub, with a 1200 watt amp. I'm looking for the spot that I got the Challenger done up at. We're gonna go over there and do this shit. But yeah, we're just driving down Utica right now. I could do it by the original spot that we went to, which is a spot that Cadell's father recommended. Both Cadell and I went there, got our initial subs in. If you guys remember, in the Challenger and the Alexis, we both put in like these audio pipe 500 watt subs, 212 500 watt amp set up in there. But Cadell since went back and said that like they were giving him a lot of issues about like installing things. Oh, I found it. It's called Everton's. But yeah, I don't know if they're open though. They look like they're not, but we're about to see. It's Everton. It's on Utica. We're gonna see what's up with them. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It's on the trunk. Let's see if we can open this without destroying my door. It's all in the trunk. Yeah, my trunk is a little bit of a mess right now. This is all issued gear, so don't mind that. This is a jump pack that I keep in the car. So right here, we got the SCAR audio wiring kit. It's rated for 2,000 watts. It has the RC cable. It's a 1 gauge. So I always like to do this kit. Like even the Challenger has this kit because in the future, you never know if you want to upgrade or not. So in the future, if I do choose to upgrade or add on things, this wiring kit can handle that. As you can see, this is just a little bit of information. But yeah, the wire is thick. And then this is the sub box. It's a single SCAR 10-inch sub for 1200 watts. And then over here we have the amp. It's the RP line 1200 watt amp. It's the same amp that I have in the Challenger. So I have the same amp and the same wiring kit in the Challenger. And this box in the Challenger, I have the 212 box. So this box I could also throw in the Challenger and whatever, vice versa. Obviously the 212 is not going to fit in this trunk, but yeah, so we're gonna go see if they're even open because it is kind of late. I think it's like 4 o'clock. So yeah, they're Everton. It's on Utica and Tilden Ave. This is their storefront. It's pretty fire. They do everything, tint, all that other stuff. I've never gotten anything else done besides my sub wiring, but like you can see they have like different programs and specials and stuff. So we're gonna go in there and talk to them. I bet. 250 is not bad at all. What year? 2010. 2010. What's up? Oh, this one? It's an M3. M3. Yeah. Yeah, Challenger.
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, you do? Yeah. Yeah, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna come back. Nah, that's a fact. As you can see, we're getting it all done up today. About to get one shot, 250 for the install. It's crazy because like I did the Challenger like 2 or 3 years ago, and that was 150. And like obviously I'm not complaining. Everything goes up, and especially depending on the vehicle, you know, this is gonna be a different price because some vehicles are harder than others or like take more, whatever. But it also needs an inverter, so he said he's gonna check the price on that. But yeah, if you ever guys need some services done for like music and stuff like that, I know these guys are really good. He said that he remembered me from the Challenger, like he realized once I pulled in. So yeah, and that was like a little minute ago. But yeah, guys, and the way I found this spot is crazy because the way I found this spot was that for the Challenger I wanted to rewire it because remember I had the 500 watt amp and the 212 little audio pipe box in it, and when I was the day I was trying to get it rewired to put in the fresh or the new wiring kit and the new amp from Scar Audio with the Scar Audio box. The place that we went to originally, that was Cadel's dad recommended, they were like being weird. They didn't want to do it. They were like, oh, like we don't want to, because they didn't want to take out the old wiring kit and put in the new wiring kit with the new amp. So I was just like, all right, fuck it. And then I had to call, like I was calling around different shops, and a lot of shops were like, oh, it's only appointments, this, that, and third. And they were able to accommodate me that moment. They were like, yeah, if you pull up right now, we could do that right now. Like, we're about to close, but we got you. So that's why I fuck with them. So check out Everton's. I said Everett's, I'm dumb. But check out Everton. This is the storefront. Again, Utica and Tilden. So. Oh, you got a a whole system? Oh shit! Oh damn! It has 3 amps in it. Oh shit! Nah, that's clean. That's clean. Yeah, I made the enclosure. Oh shit! Nah, all with the little tweeters in the doors and stuff like that. That's fire. You know this shit is pushing with the vent. You know this shit is pushing. I'm not even an audio head, but you know this shit is pushing. Shit is clean. Nah. That's fire. That's fire. Nah, that's fire. Yeah, you know this shit shakes the block, bro. With the carbon forged. That's fire. The tweeters. Damn. And then the wrap. Oh yeah, they also do they do powder coating and wrap and stuff like that. I'm definitely gonna come back. Everton's, bro. Check them out. Check them out. And they also sell, like, if you need stuff, they sell the equipment. They sell push bars, bull bars, rims, amps, head units, all of that. So I'm out here now with Dimitri. He getting the Corolla tinted, as Scotty's, you already know. This is the one and only spot to go to if you're in Brooklyn. But yeah, so this is the setup for the sub. We got the single sub. He recommended going a bigger sub. He said that the amp is gonna fry out the sub if I really try to push it. But I'm just chilling for now. And then the amp is back there. I'm gonna show you guys in the daytime tomorrow a better look of it. Obviously I gotta clean up the trunk a little bit. But yeah, everything is clean. It hits, it pushes. I wish I could show you guys and record at the same time, but the Apple CarPlay system, it's kind of bonkers, but it loves to connect. But yeah, and then they mounted up the sub controller or the amp controller right here.
They put it right there?
Yeah. I was gonna put it here, but like I guess it's cleaner. I don't know. Like I guess I don't know.
That's mad. You gotta. Let me see.
I gotta reach under, bro. Cause you remember the way I sit far back.
Come on, man. Mad work. Oh, low as hell, bro.
Nah, it's not low enough. Some Cadell timing, you feel me?
Challenge a little, bro.
But yeah, freaking car all done. I gotta put this mat back in the back. I'm gonna do that right now. Nope. No registration is on this thing right now. But yeah, we're gonna lean the car back. I'm sorry it's all choppy and stuff. But yeah, son got his done up.
Huh?
Never cold. Oh, that's what you're waiting for, to heat it up?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. And then you still got mad space, bro. That's crazy.
Still go food shopping good.
He said food shopping is crazy. Yeah, go get it washed.
Heat boom in this car, bro.
He quick with it?
The heat?
Oh, the heat?
The heat, bro. I love it. I didn't get the AC need to recharge, bro.
But it's winter anyways, so you
I don't
good.
care.
Yeah. Oh. Yo, so now I'm by Cadell at the shop at his cousin, where his cousin work at. Yes, my car is on the sidewalk. Yo, so brief update. I'm gonna insert the clip, but basically this sub is a 600 watt RSM. I thought that this sub was paired with the 1200 watt amp. So basically, this is double the power of what this could take, because this peaks out at 1200 watts. He told me to chill on it. My dumb ass turned it all the way up for a little bit too long, and I'm driving. I'm like, yo, what's that smell? Bro, open the trunk, it's just smoked out, bro. So yeah, Cadell is gonna let me hold down his dual setup. He has a dual 10-inch setup, so I'm gonna hold that down. I'm gonna send this one back to Amazon, of course, because you know, boom. Yeah. If you try to put the 12, the 12 box from Scar Audio, it doesn't fit. You'd probably have to get a custom enclosure for all of that. It's just like, what's the point? These joints hit though, I'm not gonna lie. Cadell shit. Don't you got like a 3,000 watt amp or something? Oh, you used to have one, right? Yeah, his shit. He used to make that shit smoke all the time, bro. But this is a new box, and then he got the right.
The fire extinguisher.
You still got it? Oh, you finished it, yo, bro. When I popped my trunk, I was like, fuck. I hope it didn't catch the carpet or nothing on fire, cause I don't got no fire extinguisher with me. Yo, nigga, I blew it out. Yo, he's like, yo, like, this self is too overpowered. Chill out. My dumb ass cranks it all the way up. What's up, bro?
To be honest with you, I'm ready to leave.
Yo, so we at the wash spot. We about to wash the cars. Freaking, I blew up the sub. I'm gonna insert the clip. I don't know if I said this already, but yeah, I blew up the sub. Inserting the clip so you guys can see what happened. Cadell gave me his sub. Oh yeah, I did show you guys because I recorded when I went to Cadell. But yeah, I'm sorry about the lighting and shit. But like, we here. You know, they got two extra machine now, so it's all lit. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to washing and shit, so I don't waste too much money and time. So I'll catch you guys. Bro, this
He's back in bike shop, bro.
He's redoing his headlights. Nah, it made a difference on this one, bro. You need to hit this. You need to hit this one more, bro.
This one is bad.
You should have took your time with part one, bro.
You didn't finish. You did.
He did two swipes with that thing, bro. 2 swipes, bro. Come on now.
This side look way better than before, nigga.
Yo, look at the. It don't even look like he did anything to that.
Boy, go back outside.
Yeah, you better start with part one again, bro. Put some work in, bro. Put some. Nah, I don't got no rags. Oh yeah, I do, but yeah, you better.
You should have took your time instead of rushing.
Anaya's sitting over there, pretty.
Yeah, Anaya. Trappy right here in the cut.
Yeah, put in that work, bro. I don't think you're scrubbing hard enough, bro.
You want to scrub? Nah, this side look good. This side look good.
Alright, yeah, get the sandpaper out, bro. Come on, stop playing. Get to work.
Take your time.
You wanna do it?
No.
Why not, bro? I do it, bro. I work on your car all the time, bro.
Right, though?
He said, I got no car.
Right, though, depressed. Don't got no beef. So shut the fuck up, right?
Yeah.
I gotta look.
Get that circular motions in, yeah.
Yeah. Scrap that bitch, nigga. Yeah.
Yeah. Like a dirty pot with a Brillo pad.
Choppy gonna love you after this. Shit. She gonna love you after this.
Yeah, you better finish that whole bottle on that shit. You could hit this side more too, bro.
Yeah.
Stop playing. Let's go.
If you hit this side way more,
Yeah, it'll be brighter.
the chrome from over here.
Yeah, bro.
His headlights. They look chrome.
Yeah. I think you could hit it a little bit more.
Yo, my nigga.
No, bro, I'm dead ass.
What I'm supposed to do?
Bro, hit it more. Yeah.
You come do it. You come do it.
Fuck,
right here.
bro. Like, bro don't want to take 2 seconds to get the car right. Like, come on. Come on now.
Don't act like a crybaby.
Bro, man caressing the car, bro. Put in some elbow grease, bro. Trappy take care of you is crazy. Oh, you got inspection? That shit legit?
Yeah. Everything. When I put plates
Yeah.
on this car, everything.
Check out your light, bro.
For what?
Oh, that's for cats.
Yo, Ralph Floyd, bro. You smell.
Yo. That should have been my car, bro.
The car is good though. It's good.
As soon as you lose, nigga.
You snooze, you lose. That's crazy because I could have dead swindled, bro. Don't play with me.
As soon as he said he was about to buy it,
That's what.
Cash ready right now.
Nah, I had cash ready too. What are you talking about? How much was it again? 26? 18? Bro, I would have gave Benny like 2 bands, bro. Stop playing, bro. I don't care, bro. Bro, give me 1900. 18. You know what? 1875, bro. Matter of fact.
He was